Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have explained you about definition of the sentence about subject and predicate with examples. Clear? I have also explained you the exercises A and B of lesson 1, the sentence. I hope you all will be completed definition and exercises A and B in your fair copy. Now, today I will continue with exercises C, D and E. You have to do exercise C and D in your fair copy. In classwork and exercise E in your homework. Clear? Okay. Now come to the exercise C. Encircle the objects in the following sentences and point out whether they are direct or indirect object. Clear? I have explained this exercise earlier. Now, this time you have to do this exercise in your fair copy. In first sentence, Daniel gave his sister a surprise gift. In this sentence, his sister is direct object and his sister is indirect object and gift is the direct object. Same in the second sentence. Shanu is the indirect object and check is the direct object. She passed me the glass. Me, indirect object, glass, direct object. Clear? Did Rosa lend you her book? You, indirect object, book, direct object. Who will present you a gift today? You, indirect and today, direct object. Clear? Neha, today, no, today is not the direct object. Gift is the direct object. It is wrong. Neha and Udisha bought us many sweets on my birthday. Here, us is the indirect object and sweet is the direct object. Clear? You have to do it in your copy as I have explained here. Clear? Now, come to the exercise D. Provide suitable subjects to the following predicates. In this exercise, predicates are given. You have to write only the proper subjects in all these sentences. Clear? In the first sentence, is the Prime Minister of England is the predicate. You have to add proper subject and that will be Boris Johnson. Clear? Second sentence, why do you sleep away your valuable time? You is the subject, all the remaining is the predicate. In third sentence, is dash your younger brother? You can write any name of your brother. Clear? I have written here Ravi. Fourth, my brother looks after our business in the absence of my father. My brother is the subject, remaining is the predicate. Number 5, they is the subject, showed their anger against the government. Clear? Sixth sentence, the mayor I have written here and it is the subject. Of the city have welcomed the idea of opening an amusement park is the predicate. Clear? You have to do exercise C and exercise D in your classwork in this time. Clear? Now I am going to explain you the next exercise, exercise E. This exercise you will do in your homework time. Clear? After this class. I will check all the exercises tomorrow. Clear? Now come to the exercise E. Fill in the blanks with direct or indirect object. I have already told you what is direct and indirect object. Piyush promised us a gift. Clear? Avantika sent Sunaina a sari. My father bought me many new books. Clear? Will you pass him that jar? I have put here him. Clear? Him is the, what is him? Him is the indirect object. Who has presented you this car? This car. Who has presented you this car? This car is the direct object. Clear? Number 6. The principal. The principal of our school is a fantastic administrator. Clear? In this exercise, somewhere I have put indirect object and somewhere we have put direct object. Clear? Now, tomorrow I will check your language copy with complete work. Clear? You have to do your work neatly, correctly, with correct spelling and in proper way with proper date. And you have to also complete your index column. Clear? Tomorrow you all will show your copy to me in first period between 8 to 9. Thank you, students.